select at random from a list of 4 prime numbers. So the important bit here is the 4 prime numbers and the 4 square numbers, which means that you've got to fill this bit in. So 1, 4, 9, and then we've got 16. On this one, we've got 2, 3, and 5. If we then add these together, 3, 4 add 2, 6, 9 add 2, 11, 16 add 2, 18, 3 add 1, 4, 4 add 3 is 7, 16 plus 3 is 19, 5 add 1 is 6, 4 add 5 is 9, 9 add 5 is 14, 16 add 5 is 21, 16 add 7 is 23, 9 add 7 is 16, 4 add 7 is 11, 7 plus 1 is 8. We then need to add up the numbers that are prime, so we need to know our prime numbers. We've already got 2, 3, 5, 7, so then it's 11, 13, 17, 19, 23. So if we look at this, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we end up getting 6 out of 16. You can leave your answer like that, or you could simplify it to 3/8. Either answer would be correct. Okay, question 14. A football team has P points. 6 wins, so we just need to do 3 times by 6 plus the 2. So that gives us 18 plus 2 gives us 20. After 33 games, a different team has 53 points. This time we've got 53 is equal to 3W plus 11, because 11 were drawn. Take away 11 from both sides, so we end up with 42 equals 3W. Divide both sides by 3. 3 into 4 goes 1, carry the 1 over. 3 into 12 goes 4, so we get 14 wins. Problem is, it's asking for the number of losses, so if we take 11 plus our 14, we end up getting 25. Take that away from the 33, means that we end up with 8 games that were lost. Okay, work out the equation of the line. This stage we should be writing down straight away y equals mx plus c. Now the c stands for where it crosses the y-intercept, so that would have to be 3. So we could put 3 there. We also need to work out the gradient. Now the gradient is rise over run. So we've got to pick 2 points that lie on the line. It's got a rise of 3, run of 2, and because it flows down the way, we can say it's a negative gradient. So therefore our final answer is y equals negative 3 over 2 x plus 3. And then our final question, oh no, we've got one more, question 16. A straight line has a gradient of minus 2. We're trying to write down y equals mx plus c, so straight away we can say y is equal to minus 2x plus c. Remember, this stands for the x value, this stands for the y, so sub that in. We get 10 is equal to minus 2 times minus 3 plus c. 10 is equal to 6 plus c, which means that c must equal 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. Therefore, our final answer, y equals minus 2x plus 4. And then finally, the last question, solving simultaneous equations. It doesn't ask you to solve it anyway, so you could just do trial and error. Just make sure that you show your trials not going straight to an answer. An answer only could just be awarded with 2 marks. So if we actually go for simultaneous equations, we could be thinking to add them together, or we could be taking them away. Now, if we take them away, y take away minus y would end up being 2y, and 2 take away 1 would give us 1x, which wouldn't eliminate any of them. So what we need to do is add them together. 2 plus x is 3x, y plus minus y is nothing, and 18 plus 6 is 24, which means that x is equal to 8. Take this equation and sub it in, so 8 take away y equals 6. That suggests that y is equal to 2. Check by putting back into the first equation. 2 times by 8 is 16, plus 2 gives us 18, so I know my answer is correct. X is equal to 8, y is equal to 2.